Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your PayPal password step by step. Whether you just want to update your password for security reasons, or you think someone might have your login info, this quick guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. First, go to the PayPal homepage using your preferred web browser and log into your account. Keep in mind, you can only change your password on the website, not through the mobile app. If you're on your phone, you'll have to reset your password instead. Once you're logged in, click the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you straight to your profile page where your account information is listed. Next, click on the Security tab. You'll find it above your name, right next to the Account section. Now, look for the word password and click Update next to it. PayPal will ask you to confirm your current password before setting a new one. Type in your current password, then enter your new password twice. Once to create it and once more to confirm there aren't any TYPOS. Your new PayPal password must be at least 8 characters long and should include a mix of letters and numbers or special characters. PayPal recommends combining uppercase and lowercase letters and adding at least one non-letter symbol for extra security. Once you've entered your new password, click Change Password to finish the process, and that's it. Your PayPal password has now been successfully updated. You'll also receive an email from PayPal confirming that your password was changed, but don't worry. For security reasons, your new password won't be shown in that message. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future PayPal and online security tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.